Plate cutting has many technologies, but only one company offers them all. We are with Mr. Mani Narayanan, Managing Director and CEO of Messer Cutting Systems India, the only player delivering oxyfuel, plasma and laser cutting solutions under one roof. Let's understand how this sets Messer apart.
Messer is a 127-year-old company, basically as a gas-based industry. But the Messer Cutting System is a part of Messer Group as worldwide. Messer Cutting Systems today has got 5 manufacturing plants, and ours in India is the 5th manufacturing plant. And we are in India for the last 16 years now, starting from 2009. Today in Messer Cutting or any thermal cutting industry, you only have 3 technology, which is oxyfuel technology, plasma technology and laser technology. Though we were the pioneer of all the 3 technologies, unfortunately we are behind in laser as of today, because when we developed laser technology back in 1968-69, the world was not ready for that. So we just gave up the technology. That biggest mistake Messer has done, I hope. So we are catching up. We are in laser also as of today. So technology is now substitution is happening. I don't say technology is evolving. Technology is already evolved, but people are migrating. Substitution in place of plasma is happening. Many people say plasma is dying and all, but I don't believe in that. As long as your applications are evolving, more than the technology is evolving, the application has to evolve. Many places plasma can still be used. So we are trying to do that, not just focusing on cutting itself on plasma and coming back to laser, though we are catching up with other people. But we have a lot of unique propositions available which many people are not offering. A typical example is on the show behind me, which is the laser beveling. I called myself as the best beveler in the laser industry available today is Messer Bevel. Though there are many people are offering, we have a lot of uniqueness. One uniqueness is that we can go up to plus minus 50 degrees angle. We can go minimum 6 mm thickness, which nobody else can do. So we bring technology based on the thermal technologies of 3. We bring different technologies to increase productivity to the people. We have everything in the range. Whereas people cannot do in laser, like beveling, extra special beveling, a combination of bevel with the plasma bevel combination, with the laser bevel and plasma cutting. The display here is all the 3 technologies are available. You have oxyfuel on the torch, plasma is available, laser is available. I don't think anybody else is offering. So we bring such kind of application-based evolution is my focus. Our company is focused on that. What additionally we can offer as an application in all the 3 technologies is our focus. And another example for that is that yesterday we won an order from Qatar, which is 28 meter long. I don't know anybody supplying a 28 long missile, that too laser, with the bevel itself. We have to even educate the people, customer, how to use that machine productivity wise. Even that is our focus. So in the laser bevel, not only laser bevel, the laser itself, how can we offer large format laser machines which can increase your productivity drastically? That is our focus. Not the technology, but the application again. So we are today able to offer even 13 meter shuttle cutting table. Nobody else is offering beyond 8 meters. We have a uniqueness on that. And we have to somehow sell this. And if you ask me the question, which you may ask later, that how the exhibition helps us, it's exactly communicating the same message that no, not just the machine alone here, there are so many additional things they bring to the table. An example of shuttle table with 13 meter possibilities. And then as fixed tables up to 28 meter, 30 meter possibilities we are having. Application side, we have 3 or 4 projects going on at the same time. And maybe 2 projects of that will come out in this year itself. That will be giving like an example is like an iPad came up. Nobody knows that an iPad can be used. Something like that also will evolve from Messer very soon on the plasma itself. So not believing that it is not dying. At the same time, having used the benefits of plasma for so many decades, what is our giving back into the world of plasma is just protecting that not from dying, protecting it from the laser, laser substitution. We can still protect plasma if every plasma companies are gearing up for doing that, and we are trying to do that. So every segment is growing in India, and our infrastructure investment and the defense investment. We look at the latest trade deals finalized with the UK, that the trade deal is getting finalized with Canada. We thought 1 year back that Canada is our enemy. Now there's a trade deal is happening. And even the latest announcement of Vande Bharat and the new express trains, bullet trains, shipyards. The 2 shipyards are coming up in India, in Tamil Nadu itself. One from Cochin shipyard for the defense application, other from the Mumbai shipyard extension in Tamil Nadu for commercial ship application. So you name anything, right from windmill to solar energy to logistics to road building machines to you name anything, India is investing money everywhere. That means there is an extensive usage of steel. As of today, the second largest steel producer in India, and my gut goes very well, in another 5 years' time, we may at least touch close with China, because China's production is going to go down and our production is going to increase. That means if so much of steel is produced, obviously you need cutting machines. So thermal cutting is the only solution available. You cannot weld something without cutting, and we are right at the spot with all the latest developments available. So India is the best place with 6.5 is being redefined as 7.2% by IMF itself. And then continuously for next 4 years above 6.5% growth. With all these investment projects what we are seeing and the trade deal which is happening. Even with America, trade deal may be happening, we don't know. So much of trade deals. Southeast Asia, there's a trade deal going to happen. With all those support, India is going to grow. I have no doubts that something is going to go wrong in this country. So I have enough scope available. Is our ability to capture competing with our competition is the key. And that is unfortunately in India there is not merits. If we fight on merits, we will still faster grow. But there is no problem. I want my company to be a 500 crore company by 2029. That's my vision. And we are putting everything in place for that. We already expanded twice already. And we have another expansion in the pipeline. We have a threshold to be met. The moment we make the threshold met, that means we are more space is required. Obviously, we will not shy away from adding more facility.
So that was Mr. Mani Narayanan, MD and CEO of Messer Cutting Systems India, explaining how oxyfuel, plasma and laser cutting together give manufacturers unmatched flexibility and performance. This exclusive conversation brings you closer to the future of plate cutting.